students, in last video we studied the magnetic moment of an electron revolve around the nucleus. In this video we are going to study what is the meaning of the magnetization. Definition of the magnetization. Magnetization means it is the ratio of magnetic moment per unit volume is called as magnetization. Means it is the ratio of magnetic moment per unit volume is called the magnetization, and its symbol of this magnetization is capital M, and formula is m net upon volume. M net means magnetic moment per unit volume. It is a vector quantity and its SI unit is ampere per meter, and its dimensions is L inverse into A. This is the dimensions. Means magnetization, it is the ratio of magnetic moment per unit volume. It's called as the magnetization, and the value of this M is m net upon V. Its SI unit is ampere per meter and its dimension is L minus 1 into A. This is the dimensions of the magnetization. So the next point here we consider, the next point is the magnetic intensity. Next point is magnetic intensity. Magnetic intensity. Here consider a rod of such material with some net magnetization. Means this rod consists of net magnetization, and which is placed in a solenoid having number of turns per unit length n, and I is the current flowing through this. Then the magnetic field inside the solenoid symbol for the magnetic field, which is B0. Then this value is equal to mu0 n into R. This is the equation 1. Means the rod which consists of net magnetization, which is placed in a solenoid, and n is the number of turns and I is the current flowing through this. Then the magnetic field. This is the equation of the magnetic field. And when the material is kept inside the solenoid, then magnetic field due to material means if the material is kept inside the solenoid, then the magnetic field, and symbol for this, when the material is kept, then the Bm, then this Bm is proportional to the magnetization. And when this proportional sign goes, here is constant, and this constant is mu0 into m. This is the equation 2. Here we consider the net magnetic field. Then the net magnetic field. Which is B is equal to B0 plus Bm. Then B0 value by equation 1, B0 value is equal to mu0 n into R plus here mu0 m. But here mu0 means the permeability in free space. This mu0 means permeability in free space. Here we see mu0 which is constant, so take outside. Then here is n into R plus m. Here we consider the new quantity which is called as the magnetic field intensity. New quantity, magnetic field intensity. magnetic field intensity, and symbol for this is H, and this H is equal to N into R, means magnetic field intensity, which is the product of N into R. So substitute H in place of Ni. Then the equation becomes B is equal to mu 0 H Ni. Substitute H in place of Ni means H plus N. This is the equation 3. This is the equation 3. Then here also further the magnetization is directly proportional to the magnetic field intensity, means this M. This proportional sign goes, then the equation is chi into H. Magnetization is equal to chi into H. This chi, which is the ratio of M upon H. This chi, which is the ratio of M upon H, means it is the ratio of magnetization and magnetic field intensity. Having both these having the same unit and same dimensions, so this chi is the unitless quantity. Then substituting this M in this equation 3, then substituting this M value in this equation, then mu 0 which is equal to H plus chi into H. Here we see H which is common, so take outside mu 0 H, so 1 plus chi is there. We know here 1 plus chi value which is equal to the mu r. Mu r means relative permeability. Means this mu r means relative permeability. Mu r means relative permeability. Permeability. Substitute this substitute this mu r value, mu 0 mu r, 1 plus chi value is equal to mu r into H. But this B value also, this B is equal to mu into H. Substitute this mu into H is equal to mu 0 mu r into H. This B is called as the magnetic permeability. Sorry, this mu is equal to magnetic permeability. Magnetic permeability. Then substitute this B value, mu into H, this H get cancelled, then mu is equal to mu 0 into mu r. This is the value of the magnetic permeability. Then substitute mu r value is equal to 1 plus chi, means mu is equal to mu 0 1 plus chi. This is the another value of the magnetic permeability. This is the another value of the magnetic permeability. So in this video, in this derivation, we studied what is magnetic intensity. Magnetic intensity means it is the product of N into R. Here we consider the net magnetic field, which is the addition of magnetic field inside the solenoid and magnetic field due to the material, means B is equal to B0 plus Bm. After substituting this B0 value, Bm value, we get the equation mu 0 is equal to Ni plus M. Here we consider the new quantity, means H is equal to magnetic field intensity, which is equal to the N into R, means B is equal to mu 0 in bracket H plus M. Here also magnetization is proportional to H, means M is equal to chi plus H, where chi is called as the magnetic susceptibility. Chi is called as magnetic susceptibility. Magnetic susceptibility means this chi is called as the magnetic susceptibility, and it is the ratio of magnetization upon magnetic field intensity. After substituting, we get the equation B is equal to mu 0 mu r H, where mu r is the relative permeability, and after that also here B value is equal to mu H, and this rearranging this equation, then last equation mu is equal to mu 0 into mu r, means the magnetic permeability value is equal to mu 0 into mu r. Then mu r 1 plus chi. So this is the last point, means another point in this chapter, which are the reduced from this syllabus. So this is the last point in this video. So in next video we study the next point. Thank you. Next chapter.